The bulk solids department is responsible for the manufacture of tablets and capsules. For this purpose, we differentiate between the areas of encapsulation, granulates, compression, and coating. In this area, we are about 90 people between production, maintenance, quality, and validations, and we work 3 shifts, 5 days a week. To manufacture the department's capsules, they have 9 Bosch capsule filling machines. These machines are responsible for opening the capsule, inserting the pharmaceutical product inside, closing the capsule, and weighing it. To get an idea, this whole process takes place at speeds of around 100,000 to 120,000 capsules per hour. The intermediate product, as it is being manufactured, is unloaded into barrels that either go to packaging or are sent in bulk to our customers so that they can do the conditioning themselves. In the area of granulates, we mix the pencil with the excipients and create a granulate by adding a binder solution. Subsequently, we unload and dry this granulate, and once it is dry, it can be ground, sieved, and the necessary extra granular excipients are added, such as lubricants that favor its compression. At Towa, we have 4 Fete tablet presses. Each machine has a specific number of punches, the shape of which determines the appearance of the tablet, and the number of punches determines the speed. The machines we have range from 20 to 87 punches. Such is the case of the Fete 55, which with 87 punches is capable of reaching speeds of up to 500 tablets per hour. In case the product requires 1 or more layers of coating, we have 3 coating machines, a smaller one of 170 liters and 2 larger ones of about 500 liters capacity. These machines are equipped with injector guns to spray the coating solution. Finally, the tablets, once coated, are dried inside the drum of the coating machine itself and unloaded into barrels that will be sent to packaging. To give an idea of the units manufactured each year, Capsules manufactures some 3,400,000,000 capsules. Granulates produces about 160 tons of blends per year. In compression, approximately 800 million tablets are compressed per year, of which about 650 million are coated tablets.